That's a pumpkin. Do you see that? Yeah. That's the very first one. This is my volunteer breadfruit tree. Ooh, it's about 8 feet tall. It actually just came up by itself in the backyard, and I decided to, you know what, I'm going to leave it alone, because it actually came up beside my ackee tree. Guys, here is the ackee tree. It's really tall. It's big. It actually came up by itself. This is such a blessed land, because a lot of times the trees just come up by themselves. Yeah. So this is the ackee tree. And it's growing well. Actually, it has blossoms. Let's see if we can find fruit. Yeah, it has some fruit. Guys, it's loaded with fruits. It's loaded because there are actually a whole lot of bees. The other day when I looked, it was filled with blossoms. So, blossoms. Baby fruit. So it has a lot of fruit, guys. So I'm gonna encourage this breadfruit tree to speed up its growth so we can have breadfruit and ackee. Okay, here is my jackfruit tree. About 3 feet tall. I did this video a couple of weeks ago. My jackfruit tree that I planted from seed. It was being eaten by caterpillars, but it's doing well so far. It has put on a lot of leaves. I did make a border for this one, but you know, eventually the banana stalks, they will rot. So I'm gonna have to make another one, but it's doing well. Okay, what's growing again in my backyard? In my sugarcane. Guys, I did 2 videos showing when I planted my sugarcane and the updates. There they are. They're doing very well. Let's see if it's as tall as me. Oh goodness, guys. It's as tall as I am, about 5 feet tall. Oh goodness. Yeah, so they're doing very well. My sugarcane. I also have some pineapples growing in my backyard. There are a lot of them, and the pineapples, my grandfather planted the first set of pineapples, and that's years ago. They just keep producing year after year after year. And quite a lot, going all the way up and going all the way down as well. And there are quite a few fruits on the trees, on the plant as well. Alright, what else do we have growing in the backyard? This is a guinea tree. I planted this a few weeks ago. Okay, it's about 2 feet tall. It needs some water. The sun has been really hot, so I need to mulch it and give it some water later on when the sun goes down. It's almost like lychee. You crack it open, you have the soft part that you eat, and there's the huge seed that's on the inside that you need to, if you're giving it to children, you need to crack the seeds because it's really dangerous for them. What else is growing in my backyard, guys? Guys, my pumpkin. Remember my pumpkin that I planted? Well, the sun is really on it now, but this morning it was really nice and fluffy because we got some rain the other day, so it came up with. That's a pumpkin. Do you see that? Yeah. That's the very first one. And then if you go a little farther, where is it? Because there was another one on here, seemed to have disappeared. Oh, here it is. Where is it? Oh, there it is, guys. That's the other one. There it is. What else is growing in my back? Guys, these are some more bananas, but these are different types of bananas. These are called White House bananas. They're a little different from the ones I showed before. These are White House bananas. I don't love these much, but it can be used to make porridge and stuff like that. Fry them. I give that away most of the times. But these are called White House. What else is growing in the backyard, guys? What else? Those are more pines over there. Those are more pines over there. More bananas. And more bananas. Let's go on this side. Recently planted my tomatoes. And because we had a little rain, look at that, guys. Look at the massive growth. My tomatoes. I actually mulched them. These are basil. There they are, guys. They're coming up really fast. Look at that one. Look at that one, guys. look at this one. Look at this one. Huh? And if you think this one is huge, look at this one. Guys, I'm excited because they were so tiny the other day. They were so tiny. They were so tiny, guys. They were so tiny. Okay, what else is growing? My thyme and scallion. They are coming on. Yeah, they're coming on. And I'm really happy because you know what? Actually, they had only 2. 1, 2. And now, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are about 9 of them. So they're growing. Roots are getting stronger. That's my thyme. That's my thyme, guys. That's my thyme. Look at this one coming on really well. I'm going to divide them when they become adult, and I'm going to replant to get more, you know. What else is growing? My pepper. My pepper. My pepper. My pepper, guys. My pepper. My pepper. They're coming on, guys. They're coming on. Look at this one, guys. Look at this one. It's right beside the basil. It's like hugging the basil. Like the basil is hugging it. And look at it. Look at the growth. Oh my gosh.